Most people want to earn money online, but they get stuck because they don't know where to start. Too many options, too much confusion, and no clear direction. But what if there was a simple way to understand digital income opportunities without needing advanced skills, coding knowledge, or years of experience? Go Digital Income is designed to help beginners explore the world of online earning through a structured step-by-step system. It helps you understand how digital income models work, discover different opportunities, and learn the basics without feeling overwhelmed. The best part: you can learn at your own pace, from anywhere, using just a device and an internet connection. Whether you're a beginner, a student, or someone looking for additional income options, it gives you a simple starting point to explore. Of course, online success requires consistency and effort, but having the right guidance can make the journey easier. If you want to learn more about Go Digital Income, check out our bio link for complete details.